Big news. Softr Databases is here. Now you can build relational databases to manage your data and power your apps all within Softr. No API limits, sync delays, or performance bottlenecks from using third-party data sources. Choose how you want to work. Set up your Softr database in minutes with fresh new data, easy imports, or even with AI to create tables and sample data for you. This powerful database includes linked records, custom views, and smart field types like formulas, rollups, lookups, files, and more. Collaboration is seamless. Invite team members to your database without worrying about extra seats or tool switching. And tailor every view to your workflow using built-in filters, sorting, and field visibility, perfect for different teams and use cases. Now, let's talk about your apps. Because Softr databases are built natively into Softr, your apps stay fast, responsive, and, as always, in sync with your data. Many users are even experiencing speeds more than 10 times faster compared to other data sources used with Softr. You can even combine data from your Softr database with other data in Airtable, Notion, Google Sheets, and more to bring your data to life no matter where it's stored. And with our ready-to-use templates, you can go from database to live app in just minutes. Need to connect to an external system? A public API with a Zapier and Make integration is on the way, giving you even more flexibility to connect with your automations, workflows, and AI agents. Whether you're building internal tools, client portals, CRMs, project trackers, or something completely custom for your business, Softr Databases gives you the flexibility, performance, and control to do it all. Your data, your apps, all in Softr. Start building today.